Hey guys, this is Halo Man. I'm Multi Halo Man 101 doing a review of bye doing a review of the Halo action figure active camo guy. Okay, so here he is. As you can see, he's completely clear, or just kind of clear, transparent. So I don't really know much about this set, but he does come with this attachable armor piece, ODST chest plate, and these attachable shoulder things. So that you can just put them back on if you want, if you take them off or if they fall off. So that's like all you can take off. And the thing is, his weapon is very hard to put on him. He has an active camo shotgun. You can buy these at Walmart for like $10. As cheap as at other sets we've normally done. So, okay, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, please. Okay, bye.